First, select a bay. To add another level, select Add Level. Select Remove Top Level to remove the top level. And if you highlight a specific level, you can remove it by selecting Remove Level. You can plank all levels, plank every other level, and also invert the selection. Let's plank all levels. Every change that you make is instantaneously shown in a conceptual view and can also be viewed in a 3D model view. Unlike side settings and bay details, the bay level editor allows us to edit each individual level. We can turn guardrails on the bottom level, and also we can turn on all the toe boards. Maybe we want to turn them off on one side. So once more in the bay level editor, select the toe board you want to turn off and also the guardrail you want to turn off. And this once more can be seen in the model view. In this example, we want to turn off all the planks and the guardrails on the bottom level. So once more, select the bay, turn off all the guardrails and the toe boards, and then uncheck the plank level. Now what we want to do is to create a walkthrough on the bottom level. So in this case, we can go into ledgers and turn off the left and the right side, which will create the access through the bottom. We could also turn the guardrails just on one side of the bay. So this could be at the side of a road or a highway. The next thing we want to do is to make our first level a structural level. And our second level, we want to bring it down by 2 nodes. So select the bay and unplank the first level. This is now a structural lift. Back in the bay level editor, go into the nodes and turn the nodes from 4 to 2. And this now brings the top level down by 2 nodes. Within the bay level editor, we have the ability to carry out further modification on each level. We can add face bracing, we can add plan bracing, specify the ties, and also add a cantilever or hop-up bracket to independent levels. We can add netting and sheeting too, as well as being able to skip individual levels. Also within the bay level editor, we have 3 little dots under the More tab. This enables functions very similar to the bay details. We can also specify a loading bay, so we can add the gate to an individual side as well. Remember, this must be set up in your Material Master before you can use it.